All right, number 12, we're going to find the limit of the given function. This time x is going toward negative infinity. Okay, so with this overall fraction, this denominator is getting really big and negative. Okay, we want to divide everything by the largest power in the denominator, which is x, but when we think about under what's going on under the square root, that would be equal to the square root of x squared. So if it's under the square root, you got to do x squared. So we're going to simplify everything. We're going to have square root 9x squared over x squared, x over x squared, and then on the bottom just have x over x. Now this will, again, it's getting really big on the bottom, but big in the negative direction. Is still going toward 0. This fraction is just going to go toward 9, and this is going to go toward 1. But since it's getting big in the negative direction, it's going to be, you got to think about this being like a negative 1. And then we have the square root of 9 divided by the negative 1, because we're going toward negative infinity, and that will give us 3 over negative 1, which gives us a negative 3. And then number 13, we're going to determine the limit for f of x as we go to positive infinity, negative infinity, and then give the horizontal asymptote. F of x, 7x over 28x plus 6. So if we look at the numerator and denominator, they have the same degree, and so the horizontal asymptote would just be the ratio of 7 over 28, which will reduce to 1/4. So we have a horizontal asymptote at 1/4, and what that means, if we were to graph this, if this is 1, 1/4 would be a line like so, and this graph will be flattening out on either side and approaching 1/4. So when we think about the limit, it doesn't matter if you go through and divide everything out by x positive, we're going to go to 1/4, and on the negative side is going to be going toward 1/4 as well. Even when you go to negative infinity, and the asymptote 1/4. Sorry. I'm going to write it in an equation form. Y equals 1/4.